Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please press the bell icon to receive notifications when I post more videos. We can use two methods to make this fruit salt. I prefer to work with the second method. Polystyrene is lightweight and the clay on it dries faster. I use wood glue to stick the clay to the polystyrene. If you like my video, please press the like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Love you. Bye bye.